Friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Tea Talk. सफलता के आसमान पर चमकने वाले सितारों की जानदार शानदार कहानी सुनिए उन्हीं की जुबानी। देखते रहिए टी टॉक।
हम आपको आज एक मल्टी टैलेंटेड पर्सनैलिटी से मिलवाने जा रहे हैं जो कि आरजे, डीजे, एंकर, एक्टर होने के साथ साथ फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया भी रह चुकी हैं। उनका नाम है सिमरन आहूजा। लेट्स वेलकम सिमरन आहूजा।
It's absolutely an honor. At first, I would love to thank Atul Parikh ji and I'd like to congratulate you for your new channel. Hello to all the lovely people. My name is Simran Ahooja and I'm truly delighted to have a conversation vis-a-vis with my dear friend Atul Parikh, and I congratulate you on your magnificent channel which will really inspire people, encourage them and share great stories. So thank you so much for this wondrous invite.
During this lockdown, आप अपना पूरा दिन कैसे spend करती हैं?
Yes, it's been almost 3 months plus, you know, that we all at home, and I've really not stepped out since the past 40 days. Before that, yes, I used to go for, shopping, some essentials for home, but absolutely no time now at all because I'm throughout day and night shooting. At nights, I shoot for a USA television channel that is TV Asia, and the name of the show is Celebrities in Unison. So today I have my show with Arbaz Khan on TV Asia, which is the ET time 8 p.m. And I'm truly excited about this because, during the day is the regular activities which goes on, in our country, India. And at nights, I really shoot with all our Bollywood fraternity and our celebrities every night for the show on TV Asia. So it's also my debut as a television talk show host, which makes it super special. क्योंकि अतुल जी इससे पहले मुझे बिल्कुल वक्त नहीं मिलता था, to really do my shows because मेरे सारे weekends booked होते थे for my live shows. जैसे आपके साथ भी मैंने live show किया है, तो इसलिए मैं वो ले नहीं पाती थी. लेकिन अब जब लॉकडाउन का समय आया, मुझे जैसे ही ये ऑफर आया फॉर अ टेलीविजन चैनल एंड द ऑफिशियल टॉक शो होस्ट, तो मैं बड़ी खुश हो गई एंड आई थिंक आई बीन रियली वेरी लकी ना. सो मेरा पूरा घर, माई एंटायर बंगलो 3 stories इज इनटू अ स्टूडियो. तो कभी यहाँ से शूट करती हूँ, कभी स्विमिंग पूल गार्डन से आई गो लाइव एवरी इवनिंग फॉर माई कंट्री क्लब एट योर डोर स्टेप. आज 89th डे है कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नॉन स्टॉप. हमने 18 मार्च को शुरू किए थे योगा सेशंस, जो मैं हमेशा चाहती थी that I want to really give that positivity to everyone, optimism to everyone, because सिर्फ फिजिकल हेल्थ का नहीं, मेंटल, होलिस्टिक, स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ का हमें ख्याल रखना है. और अब जब हम घर बैठे हैं, so we have to be the best version of ourselves, and that is how I even do this every evening at 5:40 p.m. Country Club at your doorstep. इसके अलावा I'm also doing the Viral Singer, जो एक ऑनलाइन सिंगिंग रियलिटी शो है for the first time ever, and I'm even hosting for them as well. I'm doing several other webinars and shows on Zoom where I'm as a speaker, as a motivational speaker, or I could be hosting the show as well. So I'm pretty much delighted to do all this, and honestly speaking, I hardly get time to sleep, and लगातार 1 week से I've made it a point to leave everything and go to sleep for a few hours, क्योंकि जब लॉकडाउन यहाँ पर ओपन हो चुका है, so I'm really tied up with the local, that is a lot of work and being a part of different endeavors in India as well. So yeah, it's been a beautiful journey, and I'm also doing every Sunday shows with Healing Our Earth, जो UK से लंदन से platform है, and I'm very delighted, extremely delighted to be a part of all these endeavors. Thank you Atul. So this is how I spend my day. मुझे दिन रात कुछ पता नहीं चलता, वॉच तो पहनती नहीं हूँ, वक्त का एहसास ही नहीं होता. सिर्फ तभी पता चलता है जब I have to really do a show, सिर्फ तब टाइम देखती हूँ. Otherwise 24/7 I'm just doing everything that I'm doing right now, and with so many shows in hand, yeah, it's been a blessing. Thank you.
सिमरन, आपके प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट्स के कारण आपका शेड्यूल बहुत ज्यादा टाइट रहता है, तो इस टाइट शेड्यूल के दौरान आप फैमिली को अपना टाइम कैसे दे पाती हैं?
I've been really bad in this lockdown period because first 2 weeks तो अतुल जी मैंने बहुत मजा किया. सिर्फ हम फिल्म्स देखते थे सुबह 6 बजे तक, और I had to catch up on so much because बिल्कुल वक्त नहीं मिलता था. Otherwise, I become very active on social media as well because this is the best way to interact with the masses now. But since shows शुरू हो गए, since 2.5 months, मुझे सच में वक्त नहीं मिलता है और मुझे इस बात का सच में गिल्ट है. मैं इसी घर पर होकर मेरे सारे दरवाजे लॉक्ड हैं because I'm in the studio. Every studio I shift, depending on what backdrop I need, and I've been doing that. So it's difficult to balance, but the fact that I feel that they know that, it's a little bit busy time for me and I hardly get time to sleep is they understand. But I've made it a point in the past 1 week that I give them time. But basically, this is the thing that I've started giving them time back again, and I want to enjoy and relish these moments. They won't come back again. Also, technology savvy, अब मैं comfortable हो गई हूँ. पहले मुझे I was not very comfortable shooting my own self and doing everything by my own self. तो मैं खुद ही शूट कर रही हूँ, डायरेक्टर बन रही हूँ, प्रोड्यूसर बन रही हूँ, देख रही हूँ the backdrop, everything. Oh my God. It wasn't easy, but I think everything is in place now. तो अब मुझे उतना वक्त नहीं लगता जितना पहला लगता था for recording. I think now it's much simpler, and also जो live shows होते हैं, I know what is where, so it's really very simple. I don't have to really think about it. Yeah, thank you so much for that.
सिमरन, आप एक अच्छे मुकाम पर आज हैं और इसके पीछे आपकी कड़ी मेहनत का ही नतीजा है. बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, आपके फैन हैं और आप जैसा बनना चाहते हैं. उन सभी के लिए आपकी तरफ से एक प्यारा सा मैसेज क्या है?
मैं कहना चाहूंगी that please make sure that आप completely इस पे rely नहीं करते हैं because I somehow don't really believe in this. और अब भी जब मुझे कहते हैं लोग सिमरन आहूजा, मॉडल एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, तो मैं उनसे कहती हूँ प्लीज आप मॉडल निकाल दीजिए because I'm much more than a model. I'm full of content and I'm an actor right now. Of course, मेरी debut film release हुई जिंदगी तुमसे just 3 months back, and I've already signed my music album and my second film, so I'm truly waiting for that, and I don't want to disclose anything further, but जो मेरा music album has already been shot 60%, so 40% post the lockdown we'll have the shoot done, and then of course by God's grace, yes, it will all be in place. But यही कहना चाहूँगी that whenever you plan to get into this field, this stream, always have a plan B. Always have a plan B because अगर हमें और कोई चारा ही नहीं होगा, you won't have anywhere or any other place to go to, then I think you will have to take a lot of funny situations and you'll have to really consider them, which I don't feel you should ever do it. So please make sure that you're strong enough, mentally strong enough, that if it clicks, it's great. If it doesn't click, it's still great because you have something better to do for sure. So just go with this mindset and you'll always be a winner. So good luck to all you aspiring models.
सिमरन, चूंकि आप एक बहुत बड़ी अदाकारा हैं और पूरे विश्व में अभी कोरोना महामारी का असर चल रहा है, भारत में भी कोरोना अपने पैर पसार चुका है, तो इस कोरोना महामारी से बचाव के लिए आप पब्लिक को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी?
My message to the world at this point of time is only one. Please be mindful. Love and care is what the entire world needs. अपने फैमिली को ढेर सारा प्यार दीजिए because this is what really matters the most. Love is of utmost essence in the world, as a quote by Saint Mirdad says. It is the law of life. We live that we may learn to love. We love that we may learn to live. No other lesson is required of man. कि हमें सिर्फ प्यार की ही जरूरत है और वही एसेंस है. लव इज गॉड एंड गॉड इज लव. तो प्लीज अपनी फैमिली को ढेर सारा प्यार दीजिए. अब हमें एहसास ये हुआ है इस टाइम पे, कोविड-19 के टाइम पे, कि हम बहुत सिंपल तरीके से भी रह सकते हैं और सिंपल ख्वाहिशें हम रख कर भी खुशी से रह सकते हैं. सो दिस इज रियल लाइफ एंड प्लीज remember COVID-19 as kindness, as love. Remember it as a great time spent with family and, a beautiful feeling all together of being loved and giving love to the world. So please, compassion, love, इसी से COVID-19 को हम याद करेंगे और मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी याद कीजिए. And please be mindful and be aware of every single second in your life because it is all about just being mindful, being positive, not letting anything affect you, being positive at the same time being of help to others. We've always learned the art of living. This time is the art of giving. And you will always be happy. Thank you so much, Atul ji. आपकी बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. And I had great time with you live shows करने में और अब बड़ा बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है आप पर where you launched this channel and you've had my interview. Well, thank you so much. You can definitely follow me on my Instagram, Real Simran Ahuja, and also मैंने अपना योगा का YouTube channel शुरू किया है, Simran Ahuja Yoga Lover. Please do subscribe, comment and follow me there as well. And जितना जल्द से जल्द हो सके मैं उसमें ज़्यादा videos डालना चाहूँगी. Yes, but every evening 5:40 PM you can catch me live. And on my Facebook page of Simran Ahuja, मैं अपने सारे दिन के events लिखती हूँ. जैसे आज I am with Arbaz Khan for the show Celebrities in Unison, which is one of the spectacular shows. Please enjoy watching it and do send me your comments. They really, really hold great importance for me. And thank you for all your love. Take care and God bless.